Hello ladies, I'm Joan and welcome to the Chronicles of Dating After Divorce. Today I have a story that's both eye-opening and heart-wrenching. It's about Tracy, a recently divorced woman looking to find love online. She met Bob, a charming man who seemed to be everything she was looking for. Bob's profile was perfect. He was a successful executive with a love for adventure and a smile that could melt ice. Tracy was ecstatic. After exchanging messages for weeks, she felt a connection stronger than any she'd ever known. They shared stories about their lives, their dreams, and their fears. Tracy felt like she had finally found someone who understood her. They decided to meet in person, but when Tracy arrived at the cafe, she was greeted by a man who looked nothing like the photos she'd seen. Bob was not the suave executive he claimed to be, but an entirely different person. Her heart sank. Bob confessed, admitting he used someone else's pictures and fabricated his entire life story. Tracy was devastated. She felt betrayed, humiliated, and utterly disheartened. She had invested so much emotionally, only to find out it was all a lie. This experience left her questioning her ability to trust again. She wondered how she could have been so easily deceived. Ladies, this is a harsh reminder that not everyone online is who they claim to be. It's crucial to be cautious and to verify the information people share with you. The internet can be a wonderful place to meet new people, but it's also a breeding ground for deception. Always be mindful of red flags and trust your instincts. Have you ever experienced something similar? Share your stories in the comments below and let's support each other. But here's the silver lining. While there are deceitful people out there, there are also genuine souls looking for love just like you. It's important to remember that not everyone is out to deceive. Tracy didn't give up. She took her time, was more careful, and eventually met someone honest and kind. She learned to trust again, but with a more discerning eye. So don't lose hope. Your second chance at love is out there waiting for you. Just remember to stay vigilant, trust your instincts, and most importantly, never settle for anything less than you deserve. Remember, love is out there, and so are we ready to support each other every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to reading your stories.